Hello, welcome to 5.2 day 1. We're going to be writing an equation from a table and being able to represent it on a graph. So we're going to graph the data from the table, then we're going to basically write an equation after that. Okay? So here's my example. So I'm going to graph these. So first, before I graph, I got to make sure I know what units I'm dealing with. So I see on the y-axis, I see that it is going by, looks like 50 thousandths. 50,000, 150,000, 250,000. Okay, and this one, bottom's going by 5, so that's all good. So I'm going to try to graph 5 and 75,000. This is x, this is y. The problem with that is there is no 75,000 on the y-axis. I'd probably have to guess, like right in the middle. So we're not going to graph that. Let's skip that. It looks like I can graph this one, and I can't graph that 225, so I'm also going to graph this one. Remember, all we need is 2 dots to be able to graph. So let's graph these. So I'm going to start at 0, I'm going to go to 10, and then go up to 150, make a dot. Then the other one, I am going to go to 20, up to 300,000, make a dot. Then I'm going to connect my dots, and it looks like it goes through 0. Okay, so now, all right, so now let's find slope. So I'm going to take these 2 ordered pairs, and I am going to do y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So y2 is 300,000 minus 150,000. And then we're going to do 20 minus 10. So 30 minus 15 is 15, so it should be 150,000 over 10. Divide both of them by 10. The decimal moves over 1. So it's really just 15,000 over 1. So I got y equals 15,000 x, and it looks like if I follow the rise over 1, up 3 over 2, so down 3 over 2, it's going to hit 0. So this is the final answer for that question. Okay, let's do another one. Ooh, this is a good one. So let's graph these, as many as we can, because I see that these are going by 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Since these are all even numbers, can I graph these two? No, I can't get 15, I can't get 5. So we're going to graph these 2 numbers. So we have 0, 20. So you start at 0, 0. We're going to go up to 20. Then we're going to graph 8 and 10. Put a dot. Connect your dots. I missed, but that's okay. The dots are what's important. So the y-intercept is where the y, my red line crosses this y-axis. It crosses at 20. So it's going to be y equals something x plus 20. Next, I'm going to do slope formula. So I'm going to take y2 and y1. So I'm going to take 10 minus 20 over 8 minus 0. I did y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. And I get negative 10 over 8, divide by 2, divide by 2. I get negative 5 over 4. This is a negative slope. My line is going downhill, so that's good. That means I did it right. So I have negative 5 over 4. And we're done. Let's do one more. All right, let's see how many of these we can grasp. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got, let's go by 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay, let's graph these. So I got 0, 8. So let's start at 0, 0, go up to 8, go 1, go up to 10, and we go to 2 and 12. It looks like it's going up like this. Okay, and make a line. What is my y-axis? Y-axis goes up and down. They cross here at 8. So I got y equals something x plus 8. Now I'm going to pick two ordered pairs. I like to pick the first two because there's less subtracting. And I'm going to do y2 minus y1. So I'm going to do 10 minus 8 over 1 minus 0. And that gets me 2 over 1, which is just 2. So it's y equals 2x plus 8. Final answer. Let me know if you have any questions.